That you ain't in my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name.
Focus. Leg day. Yes. I can't see anything in here because none of our lights work. Our main kitchen light is broken. Our living room light is broken. That one's leaking. It's garbage. So we're using our oven light as the only lighting. I guess we can open up the blinds. 196.4. Oh yeah guys, 196.4. Lowest I've been since before Christmas. Things are looking up. Looks like Wayne knows what he's doing.
Huh?
Even after I had cheesecake, which is all tracked. But yeah, time to get this pre-workout going. Changing up the scenery a little bit, getting that pre-stack going. Scuba Basky.
So caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know. I'm better sleeping on.
Scuba got their pep test. Best pre-workout I've ever had? Yes.
If you think that I'm still holding on, something you should go and love yourself. When you told me that you were with my friends, the only problem was with you and not them. And every time you told me my opinion was wrong.
What is up, guys? Voiceover time here. Today was a lower hyper day. So today I was supposed to do 10 sets of 3, which I did do, but I was supposed to do back squat, but again I'm sticking to the front squat for now because my back is still tweaked, sadly, annoyingly. Today was the first time I used a lacrosse ball today, which really helped out a lot during deadlifts. You guys saw the first set in raw, kinda, with that good music, and then so I did the first 5 sets with 225. Was moving pretty well, as you guys can see. Then the next 5 I moved up to 245, and those were rough. You guys will see on the next set that I did it with 245 and it was kind of slow. Repping that Leo Roar shirt, of course. And check out the back gains, guys. Back is looking nice. But here's 245. This is actually my 10th set, so it's a little bit slow. Depth is very, very good. It's just my heels are kind of coming in, and it's so quad dominant. It's ridiculous. That's what everybody keeps telling me. They're telling me when I get to a heavy weight, I'm not going to be able to get it because I'm using only quads and no glutes and no hammies. But I'm going to work on it. And then I was supposed to hit 3x3 in deadlifts, which I was supposed to do the day before, but I was at any time I didn't want to use their bar. And here you'll see that I did do all 3 sets. I only recorded 1 set, but my back was real tweaked. This is actually my last set with 275 on the bar. Again, I'm trying to pull the slack out of the bar before I bring it up. Make it all one fluid motion. Doesn't matter how slow it is, just make it all one fluid motion. Here you see me kind of grimace again, my lower back. Of course, this never gets old. Hitting that ISO Amino Man Sports, shout out to them. Even though I bought it myself, I'm not affiliated with them. It's just delicious. Sour Patch Kids flavor. So then after that, we moved on to just a bunch of accessory work. Again, 10 leg press with 10 sets wide-footed, 10 not sets, reps close feet, and then I just did some GHRs and then glute kickbacks, which I didn't show the glute kickbacks, but here are the GHRs. Again, I was gonna use weight this time because I have been able to get about 12 to 15 now, which is nice. Also, my hammies have also been improving a lot. it's just my glutes are just not there, unfortunately. I'm trying. I'm doing glute kickbacks, which I've never done before. I just started. I think today was the second time I've ever done it. But yeah, guys, this is just how I finished it off for the most part. Didn't do any abs, didn't do any cardio, nothing crazy. Got a good sweat, good pump going. And that's it. Stay tuned for the rest if you want to see some puppies. Until next time, peace. Look how cute that dog is, dude.
She's really, really sweet.
What do you guys think? Should I get this puppy? What? Oh my god. Oh. That's Look at these puppies. Look at this guy. He nibbles on my finger.
You want to do a payment loan, you bring in a personal charge, and they run through the finance company, and they split back payments 3, 6, and 12-month payments. You had about $200 on.
Oh my god, I'm dying. This is so cute.
Look at these poor pups. Look at them. Should I get one? Whoa. Look. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. Whew.
Just gotta be careful with their growth. Like any baby.
This thing. She just really oh! Oh, she just really wants to get out. Oh, look at this guy. Slumped. This head's supposed to be left alone. Oh, a little mix here? What's going on here? A little black and white? Right. So nice.
Hello.
Alright guys, so last thing I'm going to show you before I edit this video up. Had some fun looking at puppies. Went to 7-Eleven, get some energy drinks, saw this new flavor. What is it? Silver Ice. Let's crack it open, live taste test. This is a little bit like the White Monster. But with like a little lemonade in there? I don't know. But overall pretty good. Gonna throw it in my cup here. It's already got ice in it. Gonna edit this video up for you guys. And that's really gonna do it. Tomorrow is a rest / mobility / off day / all these things. I'm still gonna be in the gym, still gonna record it, and all that good stuff, guys. So until next time, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that like button. That's the most important thing. If you don't subscribe, at least hit that like button for me. But yeah, guys, until next time, cue that outro. Hey, Farmy. Yeah, Farmy. Gains.